In this video, we'll discuss about multiple alleles or multiple allelism. As the name indicates, multiple means many. So, many allele. It's a condition in which a gene which controls or governing a particular character will have more than two alleles. Till now, we have studied many situations in which a gene controlling a particular character have only two allele, and these two allele can be present in different combination to control that particular character. Whereas in multiple allele, a gene will have more than two allele to control a particular character. And the well-known example for the multiple allele is ABO blood grouping system in human. In the previous video, I discussed regarding AB blood group as an example for codominance, whereas ABO blood grouping system as a whole is an example for multiple allele. As you all know, in ABO blood grouping system, there are mainly four major blood groups, that is A, B, AB and O. So these are the four major blood group which comes under ABO blood grouping system. In this, the letter A and B represents antigen or isohaemagglutinin. So here the antigen represents small sugar molecule which is present on the plasma membrane of RBC. Usually there are two antigen, that is A and B. So A antigen and B antigen on the plasma membrane of RBC. This A and B antigen can be differentiated mainly based on their sugar component, or there is a slight difference between this A and B antigen mainly based on their sugar component. Based on the presence or absence of this AB antigen, the blood group can be mainly divided into four types, that is A, B, AB and O. So these four blood group of ABO blood grouping system is controlled by gene known as capital I. So capital I is a gene which controls ABO blood grouping system in the case of a human. And this gene is present on the chromosome 9th. So 9th chromosome carry gene I. And this I gene has more than two allele. That is, it has three allele. They are IA, IB and small I. Small I is also known as IO. So these are the three alleles of gene I. Usually a gene will have two allele, but in this case the gene I has three allele, that is IA, IB and I. So that is why ABO blood grouping is considered as an example of multiple allelism. So I gene has three allele, that is IA, IB and small I. Out of these three allele IA and IB has a capacity to produce antigen. That is, IA allele can produce A antigen and IB allele can produce B antigen. Whereas small I or IO does not have the capacity to produce any antigen on the plasma membrane of RBC. Out of these three allele, IA and IB dominate over small I. That is, in the presence of IA and IB, small I act as a recessive allele, or it does not express itself. So IA and IB allele dominate over small I. Since humans are diploid organism, only two allele can be present in an individual. So out of three allele, combination of any two allele can be present in an individual. We'll write all the possible combination of two allele out of three that can be present in an individual. So first one is IA. So in this condition it is homozygous dominant. Both allele is dominant and this allele has a capacity to produce A antigen on the plasma membrane of RBC. So the blood group of this individual is A blood group. Another combination is IA small I. So here IA allele dominate over small I, and this IA allele has a capacity to produce A antigen. So therefore the blood group is A. Another combination IB. So again it is homozygous dominant condition, and IB allele has a capacity to produce B antigen on the plasma membrane of RBC. Therefore the blood group is B. So another condition is IB small I. So in this condition, IB allele dominate over small I. So small I act as a recessive and IB allele has a capacity to produce B antigen. Therefore, the blood group of this individual is B. So next is IA, IB. So it is heterozygous condition and both the alleles are dominant. So IA allele has a capacity to produce A antigen. IB allele has a capacity to produce B antigen. So both allele express their own sugar on the plasma membrane of RBC. As a result, the blood group of the individual is AB. And one more combination is small I or IOIO. So in this condition it is homozygous recessive and I allele does not have the capacity to produce any antigen on the plasma membrane of RBC. As a result, the blood group of this individual is O blood group. So these are the 6 possible combination of allele for blood grouping in the case of human being, which produces mainly 4 blood group, that is A, B, AB and O. Or in other words, these are the 6 possible combination of the genotype for blood grouping in the case of human being. Therefore, a single gene capital I having 3 allele, that is IA, IB and I, can produce 6 genotype which expresses 4 blood group, that is A, B, AB and O, which finally controls only single character, that is ABO blood grouping in the case of human being. So that is how ABO blood grouping is an example for multiple allele or multiple allelism. Thank you.